Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. By the way, ako po si Rich and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share some care tips para sa golden barrel cactus that I recently bought online. Now, a little disclaimer, kung meron naman po mga garden shops or sellers sa Facebook Marketplace na mas malapit sa inyo, I would suggest na doon na lang po kayo bumili ng mga cactus nyo para at least makikita nyo yung quality at makakatawad pa po kayo. Now, if you're like me who doesn't have the privilege to go out yet because I stay with my mom and dad who are both senior citizens, then wala po kaming choice kundi sa online bumili. So before anything else, let's do the unboxing. Let's go! There you have it, the golden barrel cactus that I bought and a few other stuff. So the first thing that we have to check are the roots kung na-air dry siya properly. So let me pull you closer. So this is the Haworthia zebra. Ayan, mukhang maganda naman yung pagkaka-air dry. The golden barrel cactus and two moon cacti. So kapag bibili kayo ng cactus online, i-expect nyo na darating siya na uprooted. Meaning, wala siyang lupa at in-air dry siya for at least 3 to 5 days. Ngayon, may mga ibang seller na hindi nag-air dry properly, kaya dumarating yung ibang cactus na mushy, or yung iba ay nagsisimula na mabulok. Actually, personally, I experienced something like that. Namatayan na rin ako ng isang moon cactus na hindi na-air dry properly. Tapos sa pagka-package, nag-include siya ng soil na naka-plastic naman. Unfortunately, nabutas yung plastic. So yung moisture ng soil, ayun, nag-cause ng pagkabulok ng cactus. After unboxing and checking the condition of the cactus, personally, mas gusto ko na i-air dry siya ulit for 24 hours to 48 hours before repotting. Kasi syempre sa shipping, hindi naman natin alam kung baka nasugatan ulit yung ugat, which can be a cause of rotting. Now let me show you how I will repot the golden barrel cactus and the other cacti. To repot the golden barrel cactus, nakikita nyo naman na medyo matinik siya. So there are a few ways kung paano natin siya pwedeng i-handle. First one is the gardening gloves. Ngayon, kung wala naman kayong gardening gloves, we can use the chopstick technique. Pero kung wala pa rin kayong chopstick, then pwede na yun sa mga banana Q na stick. Pero kung sanay ka naman masaktan, parang pananakit ng jowa mo sa puso mo, pwede ka rin magkamay. Finally, my new golden barrel cactus. I think I got this for $349 pero dahil sa Shopee voucher and coins, ang binayaran ko is only $298. I'm very lucky to find a nice seller sa Shopee. I'll make sure to put the link of the seller sa description box. I like that they are the type of seller that what you see is what you get. They also sent me pictures ng mga available na cactus sa message. So I had the option to choose kung ano yung best na remaining na cactus. By the way, I'll also be using moon cacti as a decor sa dining room makeover that I'll be posting on Friday. If you like those kind of videos, I hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated once that video is up. I hope you learned something from this video at wag kayong matakot bumili ng cacti online. Just be sure to be very discerning when it comes to dealing with the seller. at mamili kayo talaga ng mga seller na polite and reliable. Thank you for joining me. Once again, it's your boy Rich, and I'll see you on Friday.